What up? Brimix here, guys. Back in the room so you can see we got the little penguins. Wearing the little penguins jacket, guys. We lost like 7 straight games or something, man. We suck. But today we gotta go out and show you guys around the ralliart. Super dirty. Look at my nice shoes though. Clean shoes. I also bought another LeBrons. They're in my room. I'm sure you guys want to get there, but clean. Alright, I came upstairs. I forgot my shoes, but look, here's my new LeBrons I bought. He said what, 15, 16? So I don't even know what number these are. Super nice. Got them like 2 days ago. And this is interesting actually, because your feet just goes right in there. Super nice. Can't wait to play basketball in these. But I forgot my keys. I got it. Got the Mitsubishi keys. Let's go outside. And also got the brand new tablet. What is it? Oh look, you can see the finger. Look, Face ID. Hold on. Maybe when you power it on. Oh, you see that? You got the Face ID, everything. This is the brand new iPad. Look at it, so nice. And of course you got these Bamas right here. But what is he smelling in there? Stop licking the camera, man. Alright, let's go outside. Here's Brandon. What's up, big boy? He already messed up his car. He already crashed his bumper, and then his under tray broke. He broke it in pieces.
Hey, it just hooked back together.
Dad over there put in air. Did he unplug the thing already? I could need some air too.
Oh, you have to go to work.
Ooh, look how nice that is. I forget which wheel needs air. I think it's this one that needs air. One of these. I'm gonna fix it though.
Alright, it's a good idea.
Alright, so we have here the air tester thingy. That's gotta come out, so why are you putting it in? Look at this guy. Alright, I'm pretty sure it's this one, because this one looks the lowest. Let's see how much air this one has. Make sure it's down. What's that, like 20 something? 28 psi? Yeah, but this one definitely needs what? So look, you got a compressor right here. We're gonna fill it up definitely with this one right here. But I gotta go in and definitely check it. Yeah, I don't know why they're all like 28s and stuff. I'm gonna pull it. I'm gonna put in 35, and then hopefully it'll be straight with that, because it's getting cold out here. We need to put 35 on. All right, so guys, in the front you can see it's a lot of crap. Basically, you start working and just buy crap and just leave it in here. The back should be just clothes. Obviously, I work out and I just leave clothes. Water, of course, you can see water, and then I'm gonna just clean it up real quick, so it should be clean. And now, all right, guys. So this is the back. I mean, the front. Obviously, the front. I don't know why I said back. Super clean. I took everything out that was like trash and stuff. This is really good, actually. Look what it says. Like every customer from every like 50 customer is gonna get like a what's it called? No, it's gonna get like a little card. You can get a sandwich for a week for free. I like how when I end the video, it automatically focuses. That is crazy. Alright, can't forget my AirPods. I gotta charge them for the gym starting Monday. I don't know why I got the little glasses. And then that's it, guys. I'm gonna leave that there because obviously you know I love McDonald's. I'm gonna come back for it. I'll show you the back real quick. The bag is clean too. I only left my little hat, my blender bottle, and then my pre-workouts. I usually leave it here. I can't leave it in summertime because in summertime they will go bad. The trunk, I got the carpet. That's the little carpet. My little bag for the gym. I got my belt and straps for the gym. Oh, and the little sub, 10-inch sub. And then the trunk, got the duckbill, carbon fiber and everything. And here's all my clothes and stuff that I had for over, I don't know how many months I had it over here. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. Very short video, but I had to clean. Definitely had to clean this car, man. So super dirty. So I need to wash it. But other than that, it looks super nice. All right, let's go. And go home, guys. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow on the next video. And as always, guys, have a good one.